Good morning, everyone. So everyone, can you see my screen, right?
Yes.
So now we'll discuss what is coupling now. So I think coupling already we completed. Okay. Where we completed, guys? Tell me. Coupling. Coupling means what, guys? Tightly coupling, loosely coupling. Already we completed, right? The topic.
Yes, sir.
Where we completed? Where we completed? Inheritance. No, not inheritance. So I think interface concept, right? See that, what do you call? Which class? What is the example we have taken?
Vehicle class, sir.
Vehicle, right? Vehicle and Toyota car interface.
Yes, sir. Yes,
car
sir.
interface and Maruti car and Toyota car and BMW car.
Bench car.
Right?
Bench
car. Yeah, that is the one of the best example for what, guys? Coupling. Okay. So I think already we discussed. Okay, let me discuss one more time. Okay. So coupling means what, guys? Okay. So the degree of dependency between the components is called coupling. Okay. The degree of the dependency between the components is called coupling. Let me write, then we will discuss. The degree of dependency is the degree of dependency between components is called what, is coupling. Okay. So the degree of dependency between components is called coupling. Okay, always we should maintain what? Less degree between the components, guys. Okay. So now dependency between the components, okay, should be as less as possible. Clear? So the dependency between the components should be as less as possible, guys. Okay. So now here, what I mean to say, so whenever we are writing any components means what? Let's suppose student class, that is one component. Okay. Department, that is one of the component. Institute, that is one of the component. Employee, that is one of the component, right? So like that, whenever we are writing components, okay, and whenever we want to use the functionality of one component to another component, okay, so those components always we should, okay, we should maintain the less dependency between these two components. Understand? Always we should maintain what? Less dependency between these two components. Okay, so those components, yes, we can use the functionalities of one other class, but if anything change in the another class, the used class will not affect. Understand? So that's why what these two components are using the functionalities of one class into another class, but they are seems to be independent. So they are having what? Loosely coupled. Okay. Okay. Let me explain you simple example. Let me explain you in a simple example. See here, I'm taking class A. Okay. I'm taking class A. Right. Here, okay. So then, let me take like this. Yeah. Static int I is equal to, okay, int I is equal to int I, guys, this one. Okay. int I is equal to or int a is equal to, let me take I only. Already we have taken class as here, right? Int I is equal to b dot j. Okay. So at the same time, here I'm taking class B. Okay. So class B also now static int j equals to c dot. Okay. Okay. C dot k. Now I'm taking one more class here. Okay. Class C is equal to anything is we can take, guys. Okay. So now here instead of variable, want me to take any method. Okay. Let me take method then. Okay, no issue. Anything is fine. So now let me take C dot which method. Let me take show method. C dot show method, guys. Okay, this is dot. Okay, C dot show method. So now class C. In the class C, so I'm taking okay, this is method, right? Public static void show method. Okay, public void show method here return. So here return, right? Let me put int. Return type is what? Int. So now here what? D dot k. Let me put d dot k. Fine. So now this is what is class completed. Now I'm taking one more class here. Class D. The class D static. Okay. Static int k is equal to 10. Fine. Clear, guys? All these four classes.
Yes, sir.
So now see here. See class A. Okay. In class A, what we are using, guys? Static int I. In class A, what we are using? B dot j. Understanding? So the b dot j value we are assigning to whom? Class A. See, in the class A, we want to use the what? Functionalities of class B. Am I right or wrong? So now here b dot j value we are assigning to whom? Variable I. Right? So now in class B, static int j. How we are getting j value? By calling show method of C class. Understand? By calling show method of C class. Right? Why? So is a static class, right? Sorry, static method, right? So directly we can call by using class name, right? Static method. So that's what C dot show method. Okay. Now in class C, I declared what static method called show. Here, what is the return value? Return d dot k. For return the value of this show method. So still we are depending on what? Class D, right? Class D, k value we are referring. Yes. Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Capital K, small k, right? This is small k. Fine. Clear, everyone? See now,
Yes, sir.
you tell me. Okay, so you tell me. So what type of classes these four are? What type of classes these four are? See, we are trying to use the functionalities of one class into another class, right? So in
Yes,
that
sir.
way, what we are doing, directly we are referring another class name into another class. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Directly we are referring another class name directly into another class or not? See class A.
Yes,
Class A is completely depending on what? Class B.
Class B.
Class B is what? Completely depending on what? Class C.
Classing.
C.
Class C is completely depending on what? Class D.
Class D.
Right? So now all these four classes are independent to each other or dependent to each other?
Dependent. sir.
Dependent to each other. Right? So let's suppose after some time, yes, this program, all these four classes are what, guys? Okay, dependent to each other. So we completed writing application like this, and finally, okay, we deployed into project. So already we discussed it, right? So in project means, okay, multiple modules will have, right? Multiple modules will have, guys. Okay, so now let's suppose we have a 4 modules. Okay, so the first module is developing by Vignesh team. The second module is developing by Vani team. The third module is developing by Triveni team. The next module is, okay, developing by, let's suppose, Sai Teja team. Understand? So now, if the first module, the Vignesh team, okay, they are developing one module, right? So maybe they are writing some classes. In their classes, they have to use the functionalities of, okay, Vani developer team classes. Understand? So now, if they directly refer those classes into Vignesh module team, okay, so now what will happen after some time? Maybe they will change the functionalities of their classes, right? If they change the functionalities of their classes, so already all the classes which are implemented by Vignesh team, they are going to affect or not?
Yeah, affected.
Yes, sir.
Understand, everyone? They are going to affect, right? So definitely we will have what? Lot of issues, lot of prod issues we have, and lot of escalations will go, and a lot of, what do you call, maintenance issue, lot of cost issue. Okay, so lot of issues we may occur.
Yes.
Understand? This is what completely failure. Okay. So now here see, let's suppose in this example, class A, class B, class C, class D. Let's suppose instead of K, after some time, okay, I will remove, I don't want to like K. Okay, I will remove simply instead of K, I will put what, guys, here?
Yeah.
Let me put, let's say M I put. Okay, int M is equal to 10. Like that I put. I changed the value. Somehow, okay, I don't want to use the K value. Somehow there is a requirement. Okay, so they're asking me to change the name of the variable. Somehow, okay. So something is happening. I'm changing the variable name now. See now. So with that, class C will affect or not?
Yeah, affected.
Yes, sir.
Come on, guys, tell me, class C will affect or not? So
Yeah,
here in the class C, what we are
Yes,
using,
sir.
we are referring D dot
D
K.
dot K.
D.K.
But there is no K value over there, right? So now class C will
Yes,
affect.
sir.
Yes,
So with class C will affect, even class B also will going to affect.
Yes, sir.
And even class A also will going to affect,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
So all are affected or not? Affected, right? So now, here, let me put same K. Okay, I'm putting K again. So now, somehow, okay, I don't want to like the class name called D. Understand? I don't want like the class name called D. Okay. Somehow, so there is a, as the part of code review or somewhere, so they are asking, please change the class name. Okay. Now I'm changing this class name instead of D to E. I'm changing class name to what? E, guys, now. Okay. So with the change, C class will going to affect or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So C class will going to affect, guys. And even if C class is going to affect, even B class also will going to affect,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
And even A class also will going to affect.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on, guys. Okay. So now, so this is what, guys, completely all these classes are what? Depending to each other.
Dependent.
These are four are what? Tightly coupled. Okay. All these four components are what? Tightly coupled. Right? Let me put D again. D again. Fine. So now I'm changing the value of this variable. Instead of 10, let me put something called 1000 here. Understand? I kept 1000. Okay. See here, based on this value in C class, okay, in show method, they implemented. What they are thinking? Yeah, K value they are returning 10 only. Okay. So based on the result, I think C class they are implementing. So now based on this C class result, B class implementing. Based on this B class result, A class implementing. Now the result is changing, right? So earlier it was 10. Now it is
Yes, sir.
1000. So now completely
1000.
these A, B, C and they are also got affected, right? I mean, based on 10, they implemented something. But now they are getting what? Not 10. They are getting something called different value, 1000 value all of a sudden.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So why it is happening like this, guys? Because of why it is?
Tightly
Because
coupling.
of they are
Because of
maintaining
tightly coupling.
they are maintaining high degree between these components. Understand? Because they are maintaining what?
Yes, sir.
High degree
High
between
degree.
these components. Okay, we should maintain what? As less as possible, less degree only we have to maintain as much as possible. Understand? So here what? All these four components are tightly coupled components. Okay, always it should be what, guys? Loosely coupled. Okay? The above components are said to be tightly coupled with each other because the dependency between the components is what? High. The dependency between these components are what, guys? High, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We need to write few things here. Tell me, what are those? The above components are said to be what? Said to be
High degree.
High degree
okay, highly coupled, right?
or tightly coupled,
Tightly
right?
coupled. Yes. Tightly coupled, okay?
Mm.
Tightly coupled with each other. Okay, because what, guys, they are maintaining what? Because the dependency
High
between
degree.
the dependency between the
Components.
components is high. Fine. So now tightly coupling is not a good programming practice because it has what? Several serious disadvantages. Understand? Tightly coupling is what, guys? Always it's not good programming practice, right?
Yes.
Tightly coupling is not good programming practice. It has various disadvantages. Okay. So what are the disadvantages, guys? If you go for tightly coupling, without affecting remaining components, we can't modify any component, right? Hence, enhancement will become what? Difficulty. Here, see, if you change anything in one component, remaining all the components are going to get affect, right? So definitely, enhancement will become difficult. Am I right or wrong? So I want to change, I want to add some other functionalities in class D, or else I want to change exist functionality in class D. So due to that, remaining all the classes are going to affect or not?
Yes, sir. It will.
Okay, so definitely enhancement will become what, guys, here? Costly. Okay, enhancement will become difficulty. Come on, guys. What is the first disadvantage? Enhancement
will become costly.
Okay, enhancement will become difficulty. That is the first disadvantage. What is the second disadvantage, guys? Here, it reduces maintainability of the application. Of course, right? It reduces maintainability of the application. We cannot maintain, guys. Actually, properly we cannot maintain because all are dependent to each other. If anything is changed in some component, automatically remaining components also will get affected. Maintainability, definitely it will be difficult, right? Next one, reusability. Reusability also will be decreased here. It does not promote reusability, right? It does not promote reusability. Come on, guys. So these are the what, guys? Limitations when you have a tightly coupled components, right? So loosely coupling is what, guys? Always good programming practice, right? That's what loosely coupling is always good programming practice. Okay. Fine. Loosely coupling is always what good programming practice. Fine. So now this is one of the example. Okay. Normal to understand what is coupling. But what is the actual real world example, real time example? Already we saw. Okay. So what is the program we saw that time? Car interface we have taken.
Car
Right.
interface.
So in the car interface, we have taken what? Few of the methods. Right? Few of the methods we have taken. All are what, guys? Abstract methods. Let's assume if car interface is not available. Okay. So now customer we have. Okay. Customer want to drive the car. Okay. So now here, how many vendor companies we have? Maruti vendor company we have, right? And one more.
Benz car.
Toyota Bench.
Okay, Toyota car. So let me open that example. I think I copied, right? Let me open
Yes.
here. See here, guys. This is the best example of, okay. So what is the problem with tightly coupling? How can we achieve by using loosely coupled? Okay. See here, car interface. Let's assume, okay. Let's keep it aside this car interface as of now. Okay. So now see here, okay. So now Maruti car we have. So Maruti car, they have their own features. Okay, forget guys, this car interface and all. Okay. Maruti car implements car. Okay, fine. Maruti car implements car. Let's assume there is a car interface. Okay. So now, otherwise, forget about car interface. Okay. Now, Maruti car we have. Okay. Let's assume this Maruti car does not implement car interface here. Fine. But Maruti car, what are the methods they have? These are the methods: engine method, body method, steering method, start method, wheels method, clutch method. Okay. And accelerator method, brakes method, and gears method. Right. In the same way, we have what? Bench car. So bench car also, okay, it has its own implementation. Fine. So in the same way, we have what, guys? Other car called Toyota car. Toyota car also his own implementation. Now here customer we have. Customer we have. Right. Now customer want to drive what? Car. So now here, let's suppose forget this car interface. See here we are using car interface, right? Okay. Forget about this car interface. So now customer want to drive what? Okay. Want to drive what? Car. Here. So let's suppose Maruti car is equal to new Maruti car. Right? How to create object of the class now?
The Maruti car.
Maruti car, right? By using directly class name. So where in customer class, we are using what, guys? Maruti car is equal to new Maruti car. So after that, we are getting that car object. By using that car object, we can call what? Start method, clutch method, gates method, something remaining methods we can call. Right? Now, sometime who provided this Maruti car? Service providers. Okay? Somehow, okay, so they don't want to use Maruti car. Okay? So they want to discontinue this Maruti car. Instead Maruti car, they want to promote what? Toyota car. Understand? Now the class name is changed, guys. Earlier it was what? Maruti car. Now they changed it to what? Toyota car. Hello? Understand? So now this customer
sir.
class will affect with the change or not?
Yeah, affected.
Why it will affect? Because in customer class, directly we are hard coding the Maruti car class. How you are creating object of Maruti car here? By using the class name, right? Maruti car is equal to new Maruti car. So like that we created object. Okay. So why we hard coded the class name in customer class? Come on guys, please respond. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now somehow they are changing what? Instead Maruti car, the service provider. So they don't want to use this Maruti car. Instead Maruti car, they are replacing what, guys? Toyota car. Now they are serving to what? Toyota car. Okay. They stopped providing service to what? Maruti car. So now this customer class will affect or not? Because there is no Maruti car over there. So if you compile this program, what will happen? You will get what? No class def founder or class not found exception. Like that we will get. Because there is no class called Maruti car now.
Yes, sir.
Understand? So instead Maruti car, what is the car? What is the class we have now?
Toyota.
So definitely the customer class will affect or not with that change.
Yeah, affected.
Okay. Why it is affecting this customer class and the Maruti car? These both are what, guys? Tightly coupled classes. Why these are tightly coupled classes? We are directly referring another class name in customer class. I mean Maruti car class name in customer class. Come on. Hello. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are directly referring another class name in customer class. So because that's why, yes, we are want to use the functionalities of one class into another class. That's fine. But here what we are doing, in order to use the functionalities of another class, directly we are referring the another class into customer class. I mean, in this class, by hard coding the class name. So definitely now what? These two classes become what? Tightly coupled. If anything change in that, I mean that what you call Maruti car class name, automatically this customer class will get effect.
Yes.
Clear? So how can we solve? This is what tightly coupled classes. Okay. So we should not maintain high degree between the components while writing the application, while writing the components. Here what we are maintaining high degree between customer class and as well as service provider classes. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
We should not maintain what? High degree. We should maintain as possible as less degree. Okay. So now how to resolve this problem? This is what tightly coupling. So due to this tightly coupling, how many issues we have? We may have a lot of issues. I think already we discussed, right? What are the disadvantages? We cannot enhancement, right? Enhancement will become what? Definitely difficult here. Okay, we cannot do enhancement very easily, guys. Here, definitely there is a difficulty to do enhancement. Okay, it reduce maintainability of the application. Okay, so it does not promote what? Reusability.
Yes, sir.
Due to this what? Tightly coupled classes. Okay, see, project means don't think one or two classes will be there, guys. Project means how many classes will be there? Lakhs of classes will be there. Understand? So definitely in each class, we are going to use what? One or other class functionality. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
So definitely
Yes, sir.
in each class, we may use one or other class functionalities. Okay, so by that time, if you refer directly the class names in another class, if you hard code it, definitely those are what, guys? Tightly coupled classes. If anything change in the other class, these classes will get affected. Right? So that is what worst programming practice. Okay, if you
Yes,
do
sir.
like this, what will happen? You'll end up with a lot of issues. Okay. So that's why once you write the code, okay, you will send it to what, guys? Code review. Who will review your code? Your architect, your technical lead. Okay, your technical lead will review your code. Okay, to check the quality of the code what you have written. Understood? If you have any
Yes, sir.
bugs over there, again the code reviewer, okay, the technical lead will send you back and you have to fix all the issues until code review completed successfully. Okay, so then only your code will move to repository. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
So always you should maintain what, guys? Less dependency between components. Okay, how to resolve this issue? Now this is the issue, right? So there's two components having what? Tightly coupled. How can we resolve this issue? So here in the customer class, we have to use the functionalities of what? Service provider class. But we should not refer the service provider class name directly here, right? So if you are not referring the service class name directly here, then problem will get resolved, right? Come on, guys. Please
Yes, sir.
respond. Right?
Yes.
So here, why
Yes,
we are
sir.
having the issue? So directly we are referring the service provider class name, like Maruti car is equal to new Maruti car. So due to that, we are having issue, right? But if you are not referring directly the class name here, then problem will resolve. So then how can you, okay, how can you achieve this one? Okay, by going with interface concept, right? By going with what, guys? Interface concept. Now see here, we have taken one interface, car interface. In the car interface, we have written what? All the methods which are applicable for car interface, abstract methods, the business rules. Now, car interface will act as what? Contract between client and service provider, right? So by using this car interface business rules, all the service providers will provide their own implementation, right? Maruti car, Benz car, and Toyota car. Fine. So now finally here, as a client, customer want to drive what? That class. Come on, guys. Where is the customer class? Here, right? Want to drive the what, guys? That class. So now in the customer class, okay. So no, I should not create directly the service provider class name. I should not refer. I should not hard code. If I hard code means what? It will become tightly coupled. Okay, we should not have any tightly coupled classes, right? Always we should maintain what? Independent components. Come on, am I right or wrong? So now,
Yes, sir. Right.
yes. Now, okay, so that's what I have taken one more class called car instance. So in this class, I have taken what, guys? Get instance method. Okay, so here customer class. Now I want what, guys? Okay, so in the customer class, I want what? Car object, right? So if I get car object, by using that car object, I can start the car, I can drive the car, I can, okay, I can use clutch and gears and accelerator and brakes. Am I right or wrong? So for
Yeah,
that,
right.
what I need? Car object I need. So now how can I get car object? So if I write directly car name, if I create by using Maruti car is equal to new Maruti car, they're having a number of issues, tightly coupled. But we should not do tightly coupled. But ultimately, I want what? Car object. So how can I get car object now? Understand? So that's what, here what I'm taking, Intermediately, I'm taking one class, car instance. This is the class. So in this class, what I have taken? One static method I have taken. What is the static method I have taken? Get instance. Understand? So what is the return type of this get instance? Car. Car type. Clear? Everyone. So now here, what I'm doing now? Car is equal to new Maruti car. See the first commented line. Car is equal to new Maruti car. Right? So Maruti car is what, guys? Child class for car interface. So by using superclass reference variable, I can hold child class object or not? Polymorphism concept. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So that's what car is equal to new Maruti car. Okay? Or in the same way, car is equal to new Toyota car. In the same way, car is equal to new Benz car. Okay? As of now, let's suppose I am using what? Benz car. Car is equal to new Benz car. Fine? So I am returning what? This car object. So now here in the customer class, see now, I want car object. How I am getting car object here? By calling car instance method. By calling get instance method. Get instance method, which type of method it is? Static method. To call static method, do we need any object? Do we need any object to call static method?
No need,
No,
sir.
sir.
No need, because by using class name we can call, right? So that's what here by using class name, I'm calling get instance method. See, car instance dot get instance. When you call car instance dot get instance, okay, which method, which object it is returning? Get instance method, car object it is.
Car object.
To hold that car object, I should declare what? Same type. So that's what I declared what? Car type. Car is equal to car instance dot get instance method. Clear, everyone? So now by using now in the customer class, I get what? Car object. If I get car object, then definitely I can use that car. I can start the car, I can drive the car, right? I can use clutch, gears, accelerator, and brakes. Am I right or wrong? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. See now the customer class and even the service provider classes. I mean Toyota car, Benz car, and what you call Maruti car. So both are what, guys, now? Completely independent to each other. Right? Completely independent to each other. Right? So now let's suppose here in the customer class, am I referring any service provider class names here? Am I referring any Maruti car?
No, sir.
Am I
No,
referring
sir.
any
No,
Toyota
sir.
car? Am I referring any Benz car? No.
No, sir.
Right? So let's suppose after some time, so they don't want to, I mean, they stopped the using 1 minute. Fine. So now after some time, they stopped the, okay, giving service about Maruti car. So they're disconnecting Maruti car services. Now they are using what? Let's suppose Toyota car. I mean, as of now, we are using Benz car, right? Yeah. After some time, somehow, okay, they are not using what? Benz car services. In the place of Benz car, so they want to use what? Toyota car. So simply in the car, this is what? Car instance where it is available. It is part of service provider, right? Now they are changing new Benz car. Instead of new Benz car, they're changing what? New Toyota car now. So here, the second commented line. Okay, they commented the third line. They opened what? They uncommented the second line. Now car is equal to what? New Toyota car. Let's assume. Understand? Car is equal to what, guys? New Toyota car. So now, earlier, it is giving service to whom? Benz car. Now it is giving service to whom? Toyota car. Finally, the customer, what he need? He want to go from one place to another place. For him, what he need? Some car is need. Whether it is Benz car, or Toyota car, Maruti car. Okay. So it's none of his business. Anything is fine. Come on, guys. You want to travel from one place to another place. That's it. So now
Yes,
see
sir.
here, if the change is where it is where they changed it in service provider layer, they changed it. Instead Benz car, now they are providing service to whom? Toyota car. So with this change, the customer class will affect or not? With this change, the customer class will affect?
No.
No, sir.
No, right? Because we are not changing the class name directly here. We are not hard coding the class name over here. So still he can get what? Car object.
Car object.
So once he got the car object, by using that car, he can travel from one place to another place. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
So these are what, guys? Loosely coupled components. Right? So like that, we have to implement the application. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how the interface will be useful, you know? So this is what, guys, polymorphism. See, flexibility. Here, flexibility. Polymorphism means what? It will give flexibility, right? Earlier we are using Benz car. Now we
Yes,
are
sir.
using Toyota car. Okay, if you don't want Toyota car, you can use Maruti car. The same reference. The same reference holding what? Multiple class objects. Right? What is the same reference here? Car reference. Car reference holding what? Multiple car objects. Earlier it is holding Benz car. Now it is holding Toyota car. After some time it will hold Maruti car. But here what? The same reference. Car. Why car is holding this all these three? Because car is what? Superclass for all these child classes. Maruti car, Toyota car, and Benz car. By using superclass reference variable, we can hold child class object. Come on. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So this is what, guys? Coupling. Okay. Always we should have what? Loosely coupled between the components. We should not have tightly coupling between the components. Okay. Hope you people clear on what is coupling. Very, very important, guys. This one also. Okay. Definitely people will ask you. If you have any experience, let's suppose 3 years or 5 years, 6 years experience, definitely people will ask you this one. Okay. So sometimes even fresher also maybe ask, interviewer may ask. Okay.